Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This class is second class on science chapter 10 topic motion. This is the second class and question number 11 1 to 10 completed in the last class, and today I will complete from question number 11. The rest questions will be completed today. Now question number 11, what is called acceleration? What is called acceleration? What is called acceleration? Answer will be acceleration is the rate of increase in velocity with time. If rate of increase in velocity with time, then it is called acceleration. What is called acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of increase in velocity with time. So it is called acceleration, and this question is opposite to 11, totally opposite. What is called retardation? Totally same, without here it will be increase, here it will be decrease. What is called retardation? Retardation is the rate of decrease in velocity with time. Retardation is the rate of decrease in velocity with time, and acceleration is the rate of increase and it is rate of decrease. This is the difference, totally opposite. Question number 13, which has both magnitude and direction? Which has both magnitude and direction? Velocity has magnitude and also direction. And opposite, this question is also which has only magnitude but no direction. Very important, it will be speed has only magnitude but no direction. It can here, sometimes it can right side or it can left side. Totally makes speed but no direction, and if the speed has direction, it will be velocity. Question number 15, house is at rest. You have to find out the statement is true or false. House is at rest, so answer will be true, because house always in at rest. Now question number 16, what is called rest? Answer, when an object doesn't change position, the object is said to be at rest. Very easy, you can understand. When an object doesn't change position or place, the object is said to be at rest. And this state of the objects, this position of the object or this state of the object is called rest. Example, we can say rest, we can give an example for rest. House, it is in the state of rest. Again, what is called rest? When an object doesn't change position or place, the object is said to be at rest, and this position or this state of the object, this condition or this state of the object is called rest. Example, house, it is at rest. Question number 17, what is called relative motion? Very important, you have to understand. Relative motion. What is called relative motion? Answer, though an object is at rest relative to an observer, it may be in motion relative to other observer. If this condition is happen, then it is called relative motion. So the changing position, that means in motion, at first it was at rest and then it was in motion. So when it is in motion, it will be relative motion. So the changing position from rest to motion, this is changing position. So the changing position of the object relative to another observer, relative to another observer is called relative motion. In one observer it is rest, but in another observer it is in motion. So if this condition happen, then it is called relative motion. Again, though an object is at rest relative to an observer, it may be in motion relative to another observer. It may be in motion. So the changing position of the object relative to another observer is called relative motion. Question number 18. What is the unit of force? You have to memorize. The unit of force is called Newton. Now question number 19. What is called reference frame? Very important question, you have to memorize. What is called reference frame? Answer will be the observer to whom motion or rest is determined. To whom? Observer. Reference frame means observer. Which observer? The observer to whom motion or rest is determined. Is called reference frame. For example, we can say it may be a house, it may be a tree. If it is considered as observer, then it will be reference frame. Answer: the observer to whom motion or rest is determined. Is called reference frame. To whom, according to whom motion or rest is determined. If it is according to house, then house is reference frame. According to house, motion or rest is determined, then reference frame will be house. Then last one, question number: how many kind of motion are there? Answer: there are 4 kinds of motion. Okay, you have to memorize these important total 20 questions, and to make full preparation on this chapter, I will give you homework. For full preparation on this chapter, you have to do homework. Make 20, fill in the blanks and learn them. To make full preparation, you have to make 20 fill in the blanks, 20 important fill in the blanks and learn them. And completing these questions and fill in the blanks, you can make a good result and good preparation on this chapter. Okay, no more today. Thanks everybody.